All right, super duper quick. I want to show how I make websites now using Nuxt and Netlify. So basically npx nuxi init, and we'll say deploy example. So this is going to spin me up a little Nuxt app. Deploy example, do yarn install. We'll do open it in code over here. Publish to GitHub, call it deploy example, make it public. Now we can open it on GitHub. And let's edit the home page, because if we run it right now, it's just a hello world homepage, I believe. Yep, hello world. So instead of that, we'll do hello deploy. There it is, and we can add some styles maybe. One. Great. And then we just need to go to Netlify and add this app as an auto deploy. So we're going to add new site, import from existing project, grab from GitHub, deploy example. Is all the stuff is already configured because Nuxt is set up for Netlify. Now it's deploying. It's a repo. We can watch it deploy if we want. So it's installing everything. Maybe while it's installing, we can do some more fun stuff on the homepage, like some basic view stuff. Deploying. All right, so it built. So now we can go and look at it on the web. Oh, but it didn't get my latest change. Oh, probably because I didn't push it here. So let's just look at what I have running locally real quick. Hello deploy. My change message doesn't work. What's up with that? Oh, because I didn't reference it. Great. So JavaScript works. So let's commit this. Add button to change message. And then sync. And then what that sync does is it's automatically detected. So if we go back to our deploys, see it just noticed that I pushed to main. And now that it pushed to main, it's going to trigger a rebuild. Great, and now the site is done building, so we can go look at it. Our URL. Oh, there it is. So it says hello deploy, and it changes, so everything's running, and that's it. That's how we make websites now. It's very exciting.